Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to get Semrush Pro for free. Now, I know that accessing premium tools without spending a lot can be quite a challenge, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you on how to unlock Semrush Pro features completely free of charge. The genuine way to do this is by making use of Semrush's free trial offer. Typically on their website, Semrush provides a 7-day free trial. However, by using certain special affiliate links, you might just be able to extend that to a 14-day trial. So let's break down the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you like. Once your browser is ready, go ahead and type Semrush into the search bar. You'll see a bunch of options, but make sure you click on the official Semrush website, which should appear among the top results. Once you're on the Semrush homepage, look for the option that says Try for Free. This is usually easy to find, since free trials are a popular way for new users to start exploring. Click on that link, and it should lead you to a page where you can begin the sign-up process. To set up your Semrush account, you'll need to enter your email address and create a strong password. Alternatively, if you're looking to save some time and keep all your logins in one place, signing up using your Google account is also an option. Once you've got your account set up, it's time to activate that free trial. For this, you'll be required to enter your credit card details. Semrush uses this information to perform a $1 authorization charge just to verify your card. But don't worry, this is a standard practice for many online services, and that charge will be refunded to you. After completing these steps, you'll have access to all the Semrush Pro features for the duration of the trial period. This is the perfect opportunity to dive into everything Semrush has to offer. Whether you're conducting keyword research, analyzing your website's SEO performance, or checking out the competition, now is the time to explore. Remember, it's a limited time offer, so make sure you take full advantage of all the features available during this period. Enjoy Discovery Semrush, and I truly hope it provides you with new insights and opportunities. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to get Semrush Pro for free. If it did, please let us know down in the comments section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.